Hi, my name is Nick Russo, Senior Service Provider Solution Architect with Trend Micro, working closely with our MSP partners and their journey in Vision 1. In this video, we'll cover how to enable cyber risk exposure management, including switching the package level of that feature. By enabling CREM, you gain access to an AI-powered enterprise solution that can help accelerate proactive security outcomes. To enable CREM, we'll navigate to the Cyber Risk Exposure Management item on the left Vision 1 menu. Then click Cyber Risk Overview. In the top right corner, click the cogwheel for CREM, then enable the option labeled Assess Desktops and Servers. There are also varying package levels of CREM today with Core and Essentials. In the Core package of CREM, we'll provide solutions like Attack Surface Discovery, Threat and Exposure Management, and Identity Security Posture. With these tools, CREM can identify misconfigurations, vulnerabilities, and gaps in security for assets in the environment. By integrating with an existing identity solution like Microsoft Entra ID or Google Cloud Identity, Vision 1 can highlight users where a weakened security configuration for users may exist, such as MFA being disabled or strong passwords not in place. We can also help identify users that may have been leaked on the dark web or impossible travel for users that have been compromised and authenticating from a foreign location. You can also leverage up to 12 phishing simulations a year for up to 200 users. In the Essentials package, we add to those features in the Core package with access to the AI-powered attack path prediction, which can identify entry points to a customer's environment and highlight further down an attack chain which crown jewels are exposed. You'll also have access to the Compliance Management solution, where we've mapped controls of various compliance frameworks to features in Vision 1 that help with meeting the requirements of those controls. Additionally, in Essentials, we provide the security awareness training and phishing simulations capabilities with no limitations on the number of users or campaigns delivered. After enabling the Cyber Risk Exposure Management solution for a customer, we'll also provide the overall risk index score, the exposure score directly related to vulnerabilities identified, and the security configuration score, which highlights the overall security posture of protected systems in the Vision 1 for Service Provider's customer overview page. With both the Trend Vision 1 XDR sensor and Cyber Risk Exposure Management solutions deployed to protected systems, we now have an increased level of visibility. CREM provides a more proactive solution set, identifying security gaps with discovered assets and prioritizing risk issues so that teams can focus on where they're needed. If you have any questions about any of the information provided in this video, please let us know. Reach out to your account manager and we'll set up some time to work together. Thanks for watching this video, and we look forward to working with you on your journey in Trend Vision 1.